So I am highly allergic to cedar, and my nose was all completely clogged up yesterday. I told Dr. Mix, he adjusted right there, somewhere in my neck, and nothing ever works. NyQuil, I can take Benadryl, nothing ever works to clear my nose up. But when he adjusted that, about 30 minutes later I could actually breathe, and now my nose is completely clear. Coolest thing I've ever seen.